Hello everybody, it is August 23rd, 2024, and I'm out at the test tank today with another old motor. I believe this is a 1946. Elgin made these for Sears. Actually, West Bend built these under the Elgin name for Sears Roebuck from 1946 to 1951. This one's got an early 3-digit serial number, so it's got to be one of the early ones. I'm going to call it a 46 until I know better. It's a 1 1/4 horse air-cooled single, and it's supposed to run on 3/4 of a pint of SAE 30 non-detergent oil per gallon of gasoline. So that's about a 10.6 to 1. Pretty heavy oil mix. I would say you could probably run these okay on 16 to 1, but I'm not going to recommend changing from the original recommendation. I would run it on, rather than using non-detergent, I would probably run it on air-cooled 2-stroke oil. That's what I'm doing today. I've got I'm running it on 16 to 1, and it's just in the test tank, so I'm not running it for any extended period of time. And air-cooled 2-stroke oil and 90 octane ethanol-free recreational gasoline. I had to go through the gas tank and clean that out. I had to clean the carburetor and the fuel line. There was a lot of varnish left over from old fuel that had been left in it. I cleaned the points up. It did have spark before, but I cleaned the points up, and spark got a little bit better, so that's good. And once I did all that and put it back together, it started up and seemed to run pretty good once I got the carburetor adjusted. It's pretty touchy, but I got it dialed in. It seems to be doing okay. Sometimes it takes a little adjustment here and there, but at any rate, let's fire it up and see how it does. I'm not sure this has got the, actually I'm pretty sure this does not have the correct prop on it. I got 2 of these, as I said, and the other prop's definitely different. This one looks like it's got more pitch, and it was trimmed in the diameter to fit. So I think it's probably too much prop for the little guy, but it seems to be doing okay, and we'll see how it compares when I get the other one going. But yeah, pretty happy with how it's doing. It gets finicky at idle. Sometimes it starts to like 4-cycle, and then it wants to die, but it does not too bad. It'll idle fairly steady at that speed as long as it's not choking on its own fumes. Alright, that'll do it on this one. Till next time, thanks for watching. Keep your prop out of the mud.